goddesses, welcome back to my channel. Just stay tuned.
So I went ahead and just filled in my brows off camera to just do us both a favor. I'm just using the spoolie to just blend them out and make them look more full and even. So now I'm just covering my Chanel bags with the, I apologize for my really horrible camera skills, but with the MAC Prolong Wear Concealer, I'm just gonna oh my god, put the concealer over my Chanel bags, my laugh lines, and just blend them out. I like to do this before putting on my foundation just to make it a little more even. As you can see, just spread out that concealer, you know, from you use for your brows. And then I'm just going to use this really amazing foundation, the Smashbox Studio Hydrating formula is just so great for dry skin. You know, being on a plane all day, this is best foundation right now for my skin. So yeah, I just blend out my foundation using my Real Techniques beauty blender and just blend it out. And then again, really bad camera skills once again, using the Tarte Tan Sand to highlight, I guess you can say, strobing, I guess. I don't really use dark concealer. I just really stick to the light concealer and just use a really dark bronzer. And I just, again, blend. Okay, girl, you're all blended out. As you can see, it's in my T-zone is lighter. That concealer is blend out for the gods. Okay, bad camera skills once again. So I'm using the luxury baking powder in Banana by Revolution. It's pretty fire. It's pretty cheap. It's like $8 at Ulta. And again, I'm just putting this wherever I put on my concealer. Again, not using any dark concealer. And I don't really like to bake too long either. I just like to let it just get in there good because I have very dry skin. And I tend to crack if I leave it on way too long. I've actually kind of refrained from using it so often because Chicago is just so cold, and I just stick to just concealer. Anyways, moving on to the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and do my wings off camera and place my lashes off camera as well. Ooh, girl. Yes. These lashes are actually from Golden Treatment. It's a black-owned company, and I like to support my peeps, so you guys go check her out. I really love her lashes. My lashes were $5 for 5 pairs, and they've lasted me 4 months now. So go ahead and check her out. So I'm using the MAC Skin Finish here and just blending out that baking powder. And then I'm moving on to MAC's Blush Blunt. That was a mouthful to say. But yeah, it's really dirty. Sorry, guys. And then I'm just going to contour. Just going to speed up this video because it takes me a really long time to blend all this out, and I just didn't want you guys to suffer through all that. So I'm just going to go ahead and just quickly show you guys how I do it. And this color you wouldn't think would be so dark, but it is. And then I just squeeze that same brush I used to contour because I'm too lazy to get my other brush, and just contour my nose. And again, I'm going to speed this up because, I mean, why would we be here all day just to contour a nose? Anyways, you do your little shimmy. What am I doing? Why am I this weird? And then we're just going to move on to that highlighter, girl. So I'm using the Anastacio Glow Kit. I'm going to be using, guys, this kit has been busted. This is my travel kit. I travel with it. It's just busted. So don't mind me. Anyways, I'm going to be using Amber Gold in that kit. As you can see, I'm Hidden Pan. That is my go-to. Okay. And I'm just going to highlight the highest points of my face, especially my nose. I love highlighting my nose. Especially the tip top. I put my head up and I just swish it like left to right. Do I do it on here? Oh, there we go. Yes, girl. Now we're shining bright like a diamond. And if you have too much bronzer, just get back that I don't even know what kind of brush, the powder brush by e.l.f., and just blend that out with the rest of the skin finish, just so it doesn't look so, how do you say, bold. So I'm using the same pencil I used on my eyebrows, which is like a Wet n Wild, like I think dark brown, and just going to use that on my lips just to blend, because I'm going to be using Ruby Woo lipstick by MAC, and I just don't like how, you know, bold. I like to tone it down a little bit, but you don't have to. Anyways, yeah, I'm just gonna apply my Ruby Woo. I wear this all the time at work because it's just so fabulously red and so bright. It looks best on everyone's skin tone. It's definitely in my holy grail red. And then I'll just be using Max Fix Plus spray in lavender to set my face. And I am done, you guys. I'm going to do some fanning. I'm going to do a Millie Rock. I'm just going to thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.